Tienes mi verdad, y ella te está sacando. Tú no sabes cómo estoy sufriendo, pero te lo tengo que decir. Cuéntame, tu despedida para mí fue dura. Será que te llevo a la luna y yo no supe hacerlo así. Te estaba buscando.
Oh, hi Eli, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm searching for cooperative society book.
Oh, I read a little bit about it. By the way, we're doing a group discussion on it. Do you want to join?
Oh, that's great. I know a little bit about it.
Oh, that's great. Okay, come on.
Hi guys.
Oh, we have a new member here.
So, what did you guys know about cooperative society?
I know the definition about it, so I'll talk about the introduction of it.
First, let's define a cooperative society. It's a member-owned organization formed to meet shared economic, social, or cultural needs. Members who work together on the principle of mutual help and profits are distributed among them, promoting collective growth rather than individual gain. In Malaysia, cooperative societies are governed by the Cooperative Societies Act 1993, not the Companies Act 2016. This means they operate under a separate legal framework, distinct from corporate companies. They have their own rules emphasizing mutual cooperation rather than profit maximization. Now let's discuss their tax benefits. Under the Income Tax Act 1967, cooperative societies enjoy exemptions for income earned from dealings with their members, such as agriculture or credit services. They may also benefit from lower tax rates or even full exemptions for specific types of income. Moving beyond Malaysia, cooperative societies worldwide are governed by their respective national laws. For example, in other countries, cooperative laws regulate their establishment and operations, and tax benefits are vary. However, a common principle is promoting mutual economic welfare among members.
I also remember that cooperative society will get tax exemption in Para 12. Now, let's talk about Para 12 exemption. Cooperative society can be tax exempt in these two conditions. First 5 years, a newly registered cooperative society is exempt from tax on any income for a period of 5 years commencing from the date of registration. After 5 years, a cooperative society which has been registered for more than 5 years is exempted from tax only if its member fund as at the first day of the basis period for a year assessment is less than 750,000 ringgit. Members fund. How to find or calculate the members fund? Members fund is defined as the aggregate of the first one, paid up capital, in respect of shares and subscriptions, excluding bonus shares to the extent that they were issued out of capital reserve created by revaluation of its assets. Second, statutory reserve fund. Third one, reserve other than capital reserve created by revaluation of its assets and provision for depreciation, renewals or replacements and diminution in value of assets. Fourth, share premium account excluding amount credited therein at the instance of issuing bonus shares at a premium out of capital reserve created by revaluation of its asset. And the last one, balance of profit and loss appropriation account.
Intan, how about you? Cooperative society also have a special deduction. They are divided by two. Next, I will explain about special deduction in cooperative society. There are given two special deductions, which are Section 65A subsection A and Section 65A subsection B. Section 65A subsection A is the amount that deducted from the total income, which is amount transferred or paid by the cooperative during the basis assessment period of 1 year. We must compare between amount of transfer to various funds and 25% of net profit and choose the lower between them. Section 65A subsection B is the amount of deduction which is equal to 8% of the member fund at the first day of the basis period. These are some of the amount transferred to Section 65A subsection A. The first one, statutory reserve fund. Educational institution, cooperative organization established for the furtherance of cooperative principle, cooperative educational trust fund, and Cooperative Development Trust Fund.
So I want to share with you guys about how to ascertain chargeable income. First, we have to have a total income from the general provision of the Act, and we will less with special deduction and have two sections, which is section 65A and 65B. Then we get the chargeable income.
For ascertaining chargeable income, first we have total income according to general provision of the Act, which is classified as A, less with special deduction containing of section 65A and section 65B. Section 65A is the amount transferred or paid to statutory reserve fund or any educational institution or fund or cooperative organization or fund. It is restricted to 25% of the audited net profit, while Section 65B is 8% of members' fund on first day of basis period, which is classified as B and C. And then we got the chargeable income. Let's look at example question. Sky Berhad is registered as Cooperative Society on 1 January 2017 and the audited accounts of Sky Berhad for the year ending 31 December 2022. So from the question, we can see that 2017 to 2022 is more than 5 years from the date of registration. Therefore, the total of members' fund on the first day of 2022 is 1,457,531, which is more than total of 750,000 from the requirement of exemption. That means Sky Berhad is subjected to tax and no exemption. So this is the answer. Firstly, we need to calculate the total income. Aggregate income given in the question less with donation of 10,000 and we get the total income of 158,517 ringgit. Then the amount of total income deduct with special deduction in section 65E and section 65B. Section 65A consists of statutory reserve fund, education trust fund, and development trust fund. Total up the amount, then compare with 25% of audited profit and choose whichever is lower. For section 65B, which is 8% of members' fund on the first day of basis period, the total member funds is 1,457,531 ringgit and we get the amount of 116 ringgit 16,602 for section 65B. So the chargeable income of Sky Berhad for the year of 2022 should be 19,770 ringgit.